Looking for the best ziplines? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 ziplines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, CTSC 95-foot zipline kit. Complete package that includes seat and braking system. Sturdy weight limit and 95 feet of zipline mean hours of fun for kids and adults. Not too difficult to set up. An excellent choice thanks to the ample components, excellent customer support, and reasonably easy assembly. Occasional quality control issues upon delivery, but customer service is helpful. At number 2. Slackers 40-foot Falcon series with seat. Shorter zipline at only 40 feet. Enclosed steel trolley also works with thicker and longer cables. Designed to slow down naturally with no brake required. This model is ideal for beginners, although they may be disappointed with the total ride time. However, the trolley will handle future upgrades. Short ride. Tree attachment is not always a straightforward task. Younger users may not be able to reach handlebars. At number 1. Slackers 70 Hawk series zipline. The braking system will ensure that your child will remain safe when using the product. The weight limit is up to 200 pounds. Quick and easy to set up. An awesome zipline that is made from quality materials. Wrapping the ends around a tree will significantly shorten the length of the line. The trolley is hard to remove. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.